If you're tired of tracking business expenses manually or messing with spreadsheets, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to track business expenses automatically without using a single spreadsheet. And if you stick with me to the end, I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, available only to viewers of this channel. Now, I've tested the most popular tools out there: QuickBooks, Wave, FreshBooks, you name it. Most of them either try to upsell you at every turn, are clunky to use, or don't actually automate the process. The software we'll be using today is different. It's lean, super easy to set up, and does the hard work for you in the background. Here's how it works. Step 1. Connect your bank accounts and cards. You don't have to worry about manual entry anymore. Once connected, the software automatically imports every transaction and organizes them by category: travel, meals, supplies, and so on. Step 2. Create or link your business wallet or account categories. The software uses AI to sort your expenses into the right buckets. You can customize this, but 9 times out of 10, it gets it right on its own. Step 3. Set your rules. For example, if you always buy software from a certain vendor, set a rule once and the software will auto-label every future purchase the same way. No more repeat work. Step 4. Enable receipt capture. You can snap a photo of a receipt or forward email receipts, and it automatically links them to the correct expense. This is a lifesaver during tax season or if you ever get audited. And step 5. Generate your reports. You can see your total spend by category, month, vendor, or project. You'll always know exactly where your money is going, and you'll never waste time digging through spreadsheets again. The best part? All of this runs automatically in the background. You just set it up once and check in when you need to. If you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel, so make sure to grab it while it's still active. So here's the key takeaway. Tracking business expenses automatically, without spreadsheets, isn't just possible, it's simple when you use the right tool. No more Excel tabs, no more missing receipts. Just clean, accurate data flowing in real time. Quick recap: connect your accounts, set your rules, capture receipts, and let the software sort and report everything for you. That's it. If this helped, I highly recommend taking advantage of that exclusive trial in the description. It'll save you hours every month, and it costs nothing to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.